Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. This one is completely off shaving. It's nothing to do with gaming, it's nothing, well, sort of to do with gaming I suppose. The gentleman that sent me this package, Nathan, I think it's Derome, I'm not going with Derome, sent me this package. Now, Nathan was a gamer that I met on Destiny many years ago. Destiny 1, I can't remember how long ago now, it would be 7 years or something, maybe longer. 6 years, I'm not absolutely no idea what that noise was. Now, he moved from being a chef into being sort of a blacksmith. He makes knives now, he makes actual chef's knives, hunting knives. I'm not sure whether he makes straight razors and things, but he does all that sort of knifey sort of stuff, you know, lots of steel, forging it and hammering it and smashing it, putting beautiful scales on them, and it's all handmade from start to finish. Now, inside this bag here is the first knife, I think it's the first knife he ever sold, which I purchased from him. Now, I never got on with it. I really struggled with it, and I'm sure he knew anyway, and I actually sent it back to have the edge looked at or whatever, but I can't cut well with it. I really struggle with it. It just cuts away at an angle and sort of cuts in. So it was one of his first ever blades. Now I'll show you, the blade's a little bit munted because it's been used for citrus fruits and all sorts. It's carbon steel, but still, I mean, it's still a beautiful handmade piece. There is the blade there. Let's see. It's got a bit of thing in that. Now it was stuck on my magnet for a long time, but this is still razor sharp. Now I use this on my Mino Sharp. It's not a flash sharpener. It's not flat stones or anything like that. The scales, as you can see there. Now these were actually made by the master caster in Western Australia, I believe. I think that's where he got these ones from. It's the same fella that Tony Forsyth over at TF Custom Shaving Brushes uses. Now, I just want to, I'm hoping this is going to do it justice when I pull out this mail call. You can see there the finish on the handle, the finish there as well. So that, I think it was the first one he ever sold. I've still got it, I'll never lose it, I'll never let it go, I would never sell it. Even, I don't use it quite, I do still use it every now and then. I use it for cutting hard vegetables and things. It's very sharp. I could actually use it as my unboxing knife really, now that I've got a new one. Well, I should probably imagine that's what this mail call is. Here's the package. Now, Nathan and his, I'm not sure whether he's married or not. I think he is married. But Nathan and his wife, or his partner, Mel, lovely couple. I've known Nathan a long time now, and he contacted me out of the blue, and he said, look, I want to send you this knife. I basically said he wanted to make amends for the one that I just showed you. It's still a beautiful knife, it just, I struggle to use it. So he'd already made this one, and apparently it was in the back of his mind for a long time to do it. He's now at a point now where he believes, or he's at a point where he's well and exceeding what he first made, that these first knives he ever made. I'll start off with this. I knew this was coming, but I'll start off with this first, which I think this is pretty cool actually. T-shirt. That is his logo. Nathan James Knives, NJK, and on the back, a true warrior forges his own path. Now I believe Nathan is very much into the, Ara as I call him, is very much into the sort of Japanesey type stuff and that, so top bloke, and obviously the Japanese make the best swords and edges and steel in the world. There is his card, Nathan James Knives, and if you want to check him out, there is his Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and his email. It's also got his contact number on there. His customer service in terms of getting back to you is super swifty. I'm sure Mel, who is his partner, she's all over it as well. I think if he's not there and he's busy, she's on that thing messaging back, but you'll never have a problem. And if you do have a problem with anything he sends you, his customer service will be off the charts, I can assure you. His stuff now isn't the cheapest of cheap, but it's all handmade. It's hundreds of hours go into these knives, you know, it's absolutely amazing. This one here, I don't know how long this took him. It probably takes him longer, or took him longer to make that than it does now to make the knives he makes now, because he's so much more experienced. He has been doing it for a few years now. So let's just put this open. I don't know whether there's any writing in it. I can't remember exactly. No, I think I can. I think I can remember the words. I'm going to try anyway. Very, very well packaged. I'm loving the knife bag already because I'm Manchester United daft, black and red. Can't go wrong. Now, this, by the way, this isn't the best place to unbox a knife. A kitchen knife by all counts. The bathroom. But this is where I do most of my videos, given that I have a wet shaving channel, as you guys know. Let's see what's written on here. What have we got? Here we go. Blade spec: steel Shiro 2 stainless clad high carbon core, handle dyed and stabilised maple burl with brass pins and linus. Beautiful. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a Western style Nakiri blade, which is generally used for chopping vegetables and the rocking motion and things like that. That's the sort of main thing. And I think a Western style blade's a little bit straighter on the edge, I think. Now, the steel in this blade, I think it actually says there, it's a stainless clad high carbon core. Now the high carbon core, I believe is, I think they call it sanmai steel, which is where they basically have a piece of harder steel and they wrap it in softer steel. So your edge is rock solid hard steel, and then the soft steel comes around the side of it and it gives you a two-tone effect as well. So here we go. I'm saying this is red and black, it's not, it's black. See, you got me excited, mate, with a bit of redness. But thank you very much. And here we go. Let's have a look. Holy shit. Check that out. There is his logo. I don't know how his logo's put on there, but it's definitely etched on. You can see that two-tone steel now. Now this steel here is the carbon, or the super high carbon steel, and it's wrapped. I don't know whether I can show you through there. Probably not. No, because it's so thin. It's wrapped in a softer stainless steel. So I'm not sure how this works, but that looks amazing. The handle feels incredible. Wow. I mean, look at it. I just want to show you, I want to highlight this because obviously Nathan's been making a lot of knives. There is what I have. That was my first ever knife from him. That was the first knife he ever sent me. You can see the finish there as well. And then I'll put them side by side just to give you an idea. Look at the difference in the finish. It is absolutely night and day. Holy shit, mate, that looks phenomenal. It looked lovely in the photographs, I've got to say, but in the hand it feels incredible. And it looked massive. The photographs make the knives look huge, but it's not. It's actually a beautiful sized knife, just in comparison. And look at the difference in the, I mean, this is obviously seen a bit of work, but I'm assuming this is stainless then. Is this stainless steel? And then this is carbon steel, so obviously need to look after the edge, but this shouldn't tarnish. Holy shit, man, that's phenomenal. Even just the detail. Wow. I'm blown away by that. Look at the detail in the handle there. Absolutely stunning. It's got like it's almost like a King Cobra type head there. I'm assuming, yeah, it's so comfortable to hold it. It's actually a little bit, it's raised. I don't know whether you can see there. It's a little bit higher there. And I thought it was maybe, just from looking at it there, I thought it was maybe something like it was an accident. But when I actually hold it in my hand like this, it's sort of raised up on this side so my pinky comes round a little bit more when I'm holding it. I can't wait to cut with this, I really can't. I'm even more excited that it's stainless as well. I didn't realise this was stainless because I can put this on a magnet and not worry about it too much rusting or anything. Obviously have to oil the blade if I'm not using it a lot, but holy shit. Wow, you've outdone yourself, mate. Really, honestly, I can't thank you enough for sending it. You've no reason and no need to send me at all. I think that's beautiful. That wood handle as well. God, do you know something? I'm that excited about the knife, I didn't even look at that as well. There's this little coin. Perfectly set in there, perfectly smooth. The handle feels incredible. It feels like acrylic. It's not, it's wood, it's stained maple burl. And I love maple as well, it's pretty much my favourite wood. Maple stirrup's my favourite sweetener. So, just beautiful. Like, you've outdone yourself. I'm so amazed by that. I can't wait to try cutting with it. Now the reason I'm doing this on this video is because I don't have my tripod. I couldn't find it. When I find it, I'll set it up in the kitchen. I'll do a bit of cutting tests and some use on it. I'm going to put it on this channel at the moment, but I may put it on some sort of like reviews all things channel, just to take it away from the shaving channel, take it away from, I mean, you guys watch shaving videos and want to see shaving related stuff. This is a blade. I don't think you can shave with it. I'm so excited, mate. I really am. Really excited to use this. And to you and Mel, mate, thank you very much for sending it. Thanks. I know you're looking at sort of between a $400 and $700 knife there that he's just sent me, and all the hours of work that's gone into it. It's absolutely beautiful, mate. I'm just blown away. He even said every time he reaches a new landmark or a new milestone, he's going to send a knife, and I'm like, shit. If it gets better than that, what the hell is he going to send me next? A platinum knife? That'd be nice. Platinum. Yeah. Platinum with gold. White gold, because I don't really like gold. Rose gold. I like a bit of rose gold. Anyway, that was Nathan James Knives. Western style Nakiri with a stainless steel main bit of the blade with a sanmai hardened edge. I cannot wait to use it. Beautiful. Thanks very much again, mate. Stay safe, drive safe. Don't drink and drive. I'll catch you guys. And most likely another one of these videos with that knife as well at some point. Cheers.